back to Silly Crafting. Thank you so much for joining me today. I know we're not in our usual spot. I'm actually in the bathroom again, but that's because we just did our hair, so I wanted to show you guys how I put in my extensions, and as you can see, they're already in. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please also head over to my Instagram, sillycrafting_, for a lot more pictures and videos of my work. But I'm not going to take any more time. If you guys want to see how I do my extensions, please keep watching, and let's get started. So what I do first is, of course, just brush your hair out. Make sure no knots are in there. And I like to have just straight hair, so we're gonna straighten real quick. So just very basic straightening, nothing too crazy. My hair is already straight anyway, so it doesn't need too much. Plus, I try to stay as much as I can away from heat, but there's just so much you can do. Okay, just something nice and simple like this will work. Okay, next, I go in about like 1.5 inches from my scalp, 2 fingers, meet them together, and I use my nails to just separate the hair and go around like a little halo on my hair, and like this. I also like to have a little clip. It just makes it a lot easier, and I just make like a little bun. So cute. Okay. The extensions I'll be using today are these by Zala. They're the Halo extensions. As you can see right here, I ordered them in a platinum blonde, but of course they didn't match my hair, so I had to make them silver, and now they match perfectly. I did buy the 24-inch at first, but that was way too long, so I actually ended up cutting a lot. So they're about maybe 20 inches now. When I bought them, they were also, I think, like $220, so they're a bit pricey, but it was a lot of hair. So if you don't need that much hair, you're not gonna spend that much. That was just me. But yeah. And I do like these extensions. They've lasted me a while, but when you brush them, they do have, you can see, a lot of breakage. This is pretty much the extensions on my head, and yeah, but they're expensive, so I'm not gonna be buying any more extensions anytime soon. I'm just gonna deal with it. But anyways, okay. These do have these clips that you can put in here. They'll just help clip onto your hair if you need that extra like assurance, but I don't like it because it just pulls my hair, and I'm trying to baby it as much as I can, so I'm just gonna take them out. I'm also using the shortest non-stretchy wire. It comes with 3 wires, 3 stretchy, 3 non-stretchy, and in small, medium, and long. You just play with them, see which one you like best, and you go with that one. So what I do is I just put them behind me like this, and where we parted, that's where we want the wire to be. So I'm just gonna place it right on top and let it fall just like that. And now you can see the extensions fall pretty much where I made the part. Make sure that the part is above the extension, not under, because then it's gonna push your hair up. So it takes a little bit of practice, but this is what we want. Okay. And now, of course, not rocket science, just take the clip out. Shake your head a little bit. Brush it if you want. Just be gentle not to pull on the extensions. And these extensions are real human hair, so you can curl, cut, dye, do whatever you want. And just to make it blend a little better, I like to just go in and straighten it all together like this. See? There's always these like hairs in here that never want to straighten. Okay. There you go. So easy, so simple. I usually put like a little bit of hairspray just on top and like flatten it out. but you can't see the extensions at all. They're nowhere to be found. You can run your fingers through your hair, you know, it's fine. You can't see them in the back, the hair covers them. I do sometimes tease the crown over here a little bit, but I'm not gonna do that today because I don't want to. It's just so easy to have. And to take them out, it's the easiest thing ever. I usually just grab on the wire here, or I could just pull from the bottom up, but all you have to do is just take them out. It's not gonna pull on your hair or do anything because all they were doing was just resting on top of your head. So the easiest thing. I do have a special hanger where I clip them and then I just hang them in my closet. Take care of your extensions. Like I said, these are expensive. You gotta take care of them. But yeah, see. So